uncountable noun. Countable noun.
Countable noun means the number that be countable. Uncountable nouns means cannot be countable. Okay friends, now I say some nouns. Can you clap? Yes, I can. Pen, countable noun. Oil, uncountable noun. Water, uncountable noun. Book, countable noun. Blood, uncountable noun. Cow, countable noun. Pencil, countable noun. Tree, countable noun. Sugar, uncountable noun. Table, countable noun. Air, uncountable noun. Chair, countable noun. Smoke, uncountable noun. Okay friends, we will learn.
Thank you.